Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another coding every day until I get a job. This is day 105. Yeah, let's try to continue the awaited project yesterday that we failed to do. Yeah, so that's what I want to do today, as always. Or at least just continue from what was unfinished from last time.
Masuk dalam rumah, masuk dalam rumah.
Oh, bawa aja.
Biasanya di sana disediain, cuma nggak semua gitu.
Jadi jaga-jaga bawa aja. Okay, so let's see what we can do here today. Okay, so yesterday we can already see the changes into the database with the new schema. Hopefully that's all the schema that we would need, so we don't really need to do any more migration stuff. Because yeah, migration stuff scares me. Because yeah. Okay, so I think the next part that we need to do in the delivery plan is okay. We remove cleaning fees. We have image, we have status and everything. So I think we already edited most of it. I think we can go check the server source db my schema and say okay, we have users, which is in the auth, and I think we're going to need to update the user to have an admin. So if I remember correctly, the one that we use is the admin plugin. In the okay, wait, yeah, let me check my old project before that, have that set up with better auth, and just to see how could I transfer it to this. So in the user table, I think, yeah, wait, let me check. Yeah, it's gonna have like a role, text role in here. And wait, yeah, let me check again. How do we use that? Because if I remember, that means we just need to add image, create a role, ban reason, and ban expire into like the user, um, like a user table. Because all the other like session and account is Yeah, so it's true. I just need to update the role. Okay. And then up to the auth to have like the admin plugins. And I think, yeah, just import them and update the client side as well. And probably create, okay, let's create another admin user to seed them. And yeah, create middle route for role-based protection. Okay. To be honest, the admin role is going to be needed for the endpoint for creating new user. So I think I will have a sign up page, but the sign up page is only available for admin. And if you're not an admin, so yeah, I think that would make sense, right? So only the admin would be able to create the users. And I think I'm gonna set up all the management and all the workers, all the staff and admin account anyways. But I'm gonna make it flexible in the sense that if the admin wants to add or create more user, they don't really have to ask me. I just need to, oh, if you're an admin, you have a slash sign up page that you can access and you can just go there. So yeah, but I think the middleware for checking the account would be useful. Okay. Okay. Create a hook for checking user roles. Okay. Wait, then let me charge my phone a little bit. Okay, so you would have like a component that wraps other component that has the required role. Okay, that's actually what I should have implemented for Omwerk rather than having to check the function. Oh, is admin every yeah, does it work the same? I think they work the same, right? Either way. Oh wow, it even gives a usage example. Okay, that's actually a pretty nice implementation. Let's do that and give it a test. So first we need to update the schema. Okay, I'm gonna need to be careful when doing the PR, but okay, let's just do this for now. Hello, very lucky. I'm building project from scratch. Um, I use Better T Stack to kind of start, um, yeah, scaffolding the app, connecting like all the basic feature. Right now, I just want to fix my starting creating the schemas and backend routes and so on. But I keep forgetting how to do this, so I don't know why. It should be it, right? I don't think I need to have the ban or ban reason because it's not it's gonna have any implication to the app anyways. So yeah, it's fine. I don't need to add the other. But yeah, I need to add the admin plugin, right? Yeah. New auth client. Yeah, let's do clear. Let's do pwt. I think we are at the server. So I think what we can do is preparing db generate. And then pnpm migrate. My god, what is the mistake again right now? Oh, I have the same issue at this as this before. Oh, I remember what I did. I just I delete all the migration file. Yeah. And just created a new one. Okay. Let's just do that because I don't really have any account anyways. there. Yeah, that's great. Okay. All right. Ah, okay. I understand. Okay. This is what this is what I need to do. Do. Or I could just delete it. The I think you could just delete them, right? Steps to do. Okay, look at the navigate to the directory, and you can do this via the terminal. Note: be cautious with the rm command. Ensure you're only deleting the SQLite file in this specific directory. If there are multiple SQLite files, including from different databases, identify the correct one by checking the database ID in your Wrangler.toml or Wrangler JSON file. Okay. Okay, so I could just delete that part. Okay. Iniflare will get the new SQLite file when you run Wrangler developer migration. You can test your application with a fresh database. Okay. No, I think I can delete it because there's nothing in the database yet anyways. So the thing is, I don't know why this is throwing an error. Exported variable auth has or is using name session with impersonated by from external provide module. Okay. Exported variable auth has or is using impersonation. Okay. Okay. We can delete the .wrangler file, right? Yes. And then if we run the Wrangler command, which is it's in the word another JSON, right? Yeah. Yeah, okay. I think we should have a new database with additional service, bookings, guest invoice, session, user verification, villa, and more. Okay, cool. And we have a role here. So I think if we go, I want to test something. I think we can sign up again. Let's. Yeah. Yeah, okay, we'll use the turbo. And then if we go check the web dev, it's on 3000. Let's give it a test. Well, 3000 should provide some okay. And then, yep, it's okay. And then the 3001 is okay, good. We have admin, and if we check the database, I think we should have some user. Let's go. Okay. Although the role, I think it's still user. And yeah, okay, it's fine. I mean, I think we can change it here or use yeah, okay. Cool. That works. Now we need to do the auth client, if I'm not mistaken. Hello, Orchid, have you clerk? I have not been clerking. Sorry, I just was not in the best energy today. But yeah. Okay, sorry. We can go to auth client now. It's in the web, I think. Yeah. Okay. And in the base URL. Okay, I don't get why the impersonation false is wrong. Yeah, I've never tried Clerk before, to be honest. But wait, no, actually I tried it to follow a tutorial, and it was super easy. They have like the sign in component, sign up component, and they have the what do you call it? The like, yeah, it's a lot of the functions already built in. It's very good, but this one uses better auth, and so like I think it's pretty okay, pretty nice. Hello, Nick. Hello. I'm trying to build a villa manager now. This one at least. I don't get it. Why do I have the... like landlords and such. Yeah, you could say it that way, but it's more like it's like specific to this villa, and they just want to have like I don't know if I have Figma here. Wait, yeah. They just want to have an application where they could manage it with the team, because the administrator works in different cities while the workers is in the villa itself, and they work and yeah, the distance, they're not pretty close, like they're quite far, so it's just basically a way for them to manage the reservation, the booking, and things like that. I think hopefully this is the correct interpretation of what they want. So yeah, it's something like this. Sorry, I'm very sleepy, even though I guess I haven't had enough sleep last night. Thank you. Still work in progress. I don't know if I could finish it based on the timeline I set, because yeah, but that's at least what I'm trying. Um, yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay. How do you structure a middleware? Rate limiter middleware. I don't think I would need rate limiting, because a little bit of both. Yeah, I think it's only gonna be 10 to 10 to, okay, but maybe on some like endpoint, maybe I should have some rate limiting. Yeah, maybe on some, yeah, or at least a timeout. Yeah, yeah, true. It's for both commission and a portfolio. I think, yeah, I think a timeout would be better. Ah, okay. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, Better Auth already have some rate limiting by automatically. Like it's defaults to true in production, and I think, yeah, by default, like there's like 10, uh, sorry, 100 requests per minute, I think. You need to configure it. Okay, roger that. Ooh, okay. Might have so many like bot detection, everything, core, session, timeout, shield, probably 8 HTTP. Okay. Like, so that whenever for the okay. So you wouldn't allow it like HTTP request. If it's like HTTP request, you just wouldn't allow it. Okay. Yes, for example, I will only allow certain browser access the site or server. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's interesting. Rate limiter, middleware, oh no, okay. Or Postman. Should I? Ah, okay. Uh, Allow it access using curl or Postman. Okay. Regarding like middleware, should I create like a folder named middleware, or like what's like the good practice on creating middleware? Sorry, I'm not feeling well for some reason. At least my side is secure. Roger that. Hello, did Clever and Drizzle setup work today? It looks like it's working. Right now I want to handle with the role-based stuff, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Should add middleware folder. Okay, so like I should create maybe an src, like for example like here, and middleware, and then what we can do is create this okay. Okay, wait, yeah. Next, middleware can apply global key. Middleware should be lightweight because it's exposability and avoid side effects unless intentional. Explore middleware as function. Define middleware as usable function or factories function that returns middleware to allow configuration and parameterization. Use middleware function for configurability. Example. You should have a folder so that you can just import certain middleware, then add to the right groups like right limiter. Oh, okay, okay. So then I could add this like middleware on like the routes later, right? Yeah. Okay, okay. Yes. It's way easier for you to find everything. Okay. Routes folder, middleware folder, controller folder. Okay. I'm so sorry. Like I don't know why I don't really feel like I don't feel like I have energy today. I don't know why. I couldn't think. Sorry, it's not your fault. Definitely it's not your fault. I don't know why. I guess I just since I woke up I don't felt like I have energy to do anything for some reason. Damn. I don't know why. Okay, so okay, I think I can understand it a bit. So it's just like from my understanding is that it's a function that will run on every request and response, so that when there's a request response, it will go through that. So and it's called, or it's like the appended, not appended, how would I say it? Like here, like yeah, admin for example, there will be an admin page like in the routes, right? And they need this require admin function, which is a middleware. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. I can understand. Okay, okay. So for example, for creating, let me know if this is correct, Mr. Kiden and Kizi. So let's just say I will have like a app dot uh what is like the fuck, I forgot. That's like the create equivalent in is it app dot get app dot create post, sorry, let's just say it's app dot post to create a new user. So it's app dot post slash admin slash user. Yeah, okay, it's basically just like this, but instead of delete, it's a post where it's gonna be creating a new user, right? And for, I think the context would have like the data that is let's just say submitted from the form or something like that. But yeah, okay, I think I get it. Like for example, in this one, on like a delete route, it will need the require admin. Okay. Yeah, so that you can selectively add midway on certain routes without affecting other routes. Okay, got it. Roger that. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is a middleware to check if the user is either admin or not, although it's only gonna be on a few routes, but you know, it's fine. Context from photo. Okay, there is no context object, so I don't know why. Oh, context is okay. Wait, yeah. It's just we've never declared it yet. No, but the thing is, I think it's already if it's a require auth, it's already there in the here API slash auth, right? Auth handler. Hmm. But it's fine. It's fine. Let's just see what this is about. Did I seriously write it? God damn it. Ah, okay. Okay. Wait, yeah, I'll check it. Router dot used API dot okay, handler author first email password. Okay, I just import the middleware and add it. Okay, because yeah, from it's similar to Express, right? The Hono and Express. Okay. Okay. Roger that. Thank you. Okay. They're like the same, but the Honda is 10 times lighter than X-Brand. Super fast. Okay. Hello, Yahoo, and everyone. Sorry, I think I'm just gonna. Azeroth, yes. Trying to understand it. I'm trying to make this villa management app, but it keeps giving some weird type error that I don't really understand. Why does it happen, or what's wrong with this? Yeah, trying to make that's the thing. I don't know where the admin option is. Yeah, let's try to look for here. This is what I use from my previous app. I would just have um, the yeah, the default roles and admin roles. So I don't know why it's then we would have that admin and super admin, but this still throwing out sessions with impersonated by. What is that? Sessions with impersonated by. Is it this one? Impersonation session? That's why I don't know what is this error supposed to be. And then in creating the middleware, all these headers is that's why I don't know how. Can we get this admin option? Maybe I should ask. Yeah, maybe I'll try to ask it after this. What is the error? I'm just gonna ask them. The name is taken by third party. Okay, yeah, I have no idea what this is supposed to mean. $1,000. Hello, Mr. Indian Helper. Probably a scam. Could be, yeah. Probably. I want to try to use the ask mode first. I don't really want it to use agent mode because I'm afraid it's gonna change to everything. And I kind of want to see it step by step. Um, I want to see step by step. Like I want to avoid agent mode as much as possible because I don't want it automatically changes like 10 files at the same time. What is that supposed to mean? Okay, the first error is due to how the admin plugin is configured. Let's fix the auth configuration. Trusted password plugins. I just need to export the type. Okay, still okay. No, still doesn't work. Auth in first session user. Property user does not exist on type session. Yeah, okay, no, this is just in my last project when I used the admin plugin, it doesn't really have this issue. I don't know why it has this. I think I know why. Wait, I think I know why. Wait. Yeah. Okay, I think it's because the table is wrong in the sense that okay. I think I know what's wrong. I think admin a schema. Yeah, I need to add this to the table. Yeah, okay. I think I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong. Or not. I'm not sure. So in the TB schema and auth, I need to add role, and besides role, I need to add band. Let me go here. I need to add role, and then I need to add. Oh, okay. So what I did in my so that's already correct. Yeah. Let's just follow the docs. Yeah. Let's go here. Let's go to auth. No, let's go schema, and let's check the user. Has the ban reason and expire. Okay, let's add that as well as in the session. I would have the impersonated by. I think that's why it has that type of error because it didn't see that impersonated by table. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think that's at least my understanding is that because I didn't have that in the table, so that's why. So ban reason, and then we have the ban expires. It's timestamp ban underscore reason. Huh. Okay, that's odd. Do we have timestamp? Yeah. How do I do it in SQLite? Does it have a timestamp? Okay, what if I want to use date? Okay, so I make it integer like this. Okay, so I think that's the correct way to do it. And it's not like this. That's the Postgres way. So this would be integer binary row type. Yeah, step one. Thank you, Copilot. Sorry, cursor. That's actually true. What the fuck did I do wrong again? What? I want to maximize the AI usage. Okay, and then the next one that I need to add is, okay, why is this name error? I don't understand. Okay, how would I do Boolean in SQLite? Okay. To say I confused me, they changed most of the things and they hallucinate. Yeah, that's why I don't really want to use the agent mode. I'm also still learning a lot, especially with this new stack. And I kind of want to learn the base. Okay, so Boolean doesn't exist in SQLite. So how do they do Boolean? Hmm. How do we do that? Okay, they say that but it doesn't have any output Boolean. I don't know why. It doesn't exist. Oh, see, SQLite core doesn't have any Boolean. So how do we do that? Just a number? Let's go ask it. How could I have Boolean value when using SQLite? Oh, yeah, it's true. Oh, okay. God damn it. Okay. My bad. I don't understand SQLite that much, I guess. I'm gonna stick to Postgres next time. Like, damn. Okay. So you can just use integer but mode boolean. Okay, got it. So that's why it gives giving out all those errors. Okay. So that's actually true. As well as the timestamp. So I think this one is correct and no error this time. And I think in the auth, what I need to have right now is in the session, I need to add not this, but an impersonated by, because that was on the better auth doc. And in the schema, I need to add one field of session in the table, which is impersonated by. Okay. And this is how okay, it's just a text. Okay. And I think, yeah, okay. So it's just gonna be impersonated by. And I think this should solve this issue, right? Not yet. Why? Because I need to run the migration first. Let's go to terminal. cd apps server ls pnpm db generate npm db migrate. Sorry, I forgot. It's npx wrangler e1 apply to me management dash app. I forgot the name or the function again. Okay, so it's npx wrangler d1 migrations. I think I should make a script apply. Or should I already have it? Package.json. But the local one. I think I'm gonna do create like a new command that says eb migrate local, correct? And it's Wrangler D1 migrations. Apply Kasubi management. Forgot the name. Let's go check Wrangler. Oops. Let's yank it. Let's go to package.json. Piet. So management app test that's actually local. That should work. And right now I think I can do pnpmtp migrate local with one R. Okay. Fake palm reading MCP. Oh, the hackathon. How was it? Could you elaborate? What do you mean, like fake palm reading MCP? Is it just like a multiple switch statement and randomized choosing it? What? Damn. What? How? With like computer vision? Image detection? Is the judge okay? What are you doing? Like, what's the theme of the hackathon? Sorry, I mean like theme, like the theme, or like what is it about? What? Okay, is it public? Is it available? Can I use it? I want to test it out. I want to look for a job. I'm hurt right now already. Okay, it works. And let's see again with this. No, still not working. Okay. I already input the session which is impersonated by into the. Why is it still not working? Same bro, same. Yeah, this is 30 hertz right now. Okay, let's fix it. I don't understand what resolves to a type only integration was imported using type only. Okay. Headers. Okay. So authorize the other one also probably did do the same, right? Okay. It fixed most of the issues, just that the next is a type and must be imported using a type only import. Okay, import type. Like that. TypeScript, everybody. Okay, I don't understand this part because I already added the session with impersonated by inside of the table, and we can see it from, let's select delete, close all. we can go check here and go with the Wrangler state D1. This is like the actual database. Has a role, as is all of that, and inside of the session there should be an impersonator that is still null. So I don't get it. Why does that auth object or the auth instances of the better auth still throws error? Where I already added that part. Let's see if restarting the TypeScript server will change anything, even though I guess it wouldn't really do it. Walaikum salam warahmatullah. How are you, Mr. Lavender? I am feeling a bit bland, to be honest. I don't really have that much energy compared to yesterday, and I feel like I want to sleep compared to continue finishing the project. I feel like I don't make any progress, and it just sucks. Yes, I am making a web application. And for some reason, I just hate seeing this error. I could just disable this one, but I don't. I Yes, I know. It's probably not that important. I haven't really even made any single APIs that I should be making. In the delivery plan. I think today I should have been able to finish it, but let's just say we're able to finish that. I think we did add the indexes. We did generate the migration. I think we just need to shoot the data right now with the villas, guests, and everything, and then testing it in the TV Studio after this, I guess. After this auth issue has been dealt with, and then creating these routes for booking, villa service, and everything. I already have all the lists. I could probably, for this part, I could let GPT do it. But yeah, I'm not sure how they should go. Hello. Welcome. So consider it shut down in my country because everybody's getting free points. Well, I mean, it's kind of smart. Respect the hustle, but I mean, I can understand why they would shut it down because people were selling it. Yeah, I could understand why that happens. You know, just people taking advantage of free stuff. Like, yeah, I can understand why. Okay, so we don't need this because I don't understand the export type thing. The export type thing produces more error. See? It just produces more error. It doesn't solve anything. See? Because auth doesn't have this user. Does not exist in type session. What if we just remove this? No, it doesn't change anything. Okay, let's check the middleware again. Yeah, the middleware already been fixed, by the way, so it doesn't really matter. Oh shit, no, that's the wrong one. Oh god, okay, wait. Yeah, I can still have that, but I would need... Nope, still does not work. Okay. Yeah, okay, I think I'm just gonna let it be. I'm just gonna... Okay. Okay. And then for middleware, it's now... I shouldn't use this new header, but use a c.rec.raw.headers. That's actually work. Change it, and I think we need to change another one. I still couldn't really fix this. I don't understand why it's okay, but let's try to test run the cd loop. Would it still work? That's the question. Would it still work, or would it just throw an error and wouldn't run? The issue that I have if it's root built, or I could just ignore that linting error specifically for this. I don't understand. I don't need the types for the impersonated by or the user role by. Okay, cool. Still works. Although I think if I run the linting, it would be. I don't think it would work. Oh, turbo check. Okay, we can do turbo check types. Okay. npm check the types like that. See? Okay, I'm gonna okay. This auth error that I have no idea what's wrong with this. I'm gonna ignore it later. But okay. I think we can go to the delivery plan again and see what the steps, what's the next steps that we need to do right now. Okay, I think we need to do the next step, which is to seed it. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Let's just close this. Let's add the delivery plan. And then what I need is the cursor rules for And after this, we would see how much usage do we have. Because I think so far we only done like $1, $1 of usage for all of it. I think today we could reach at least like 3 for all the questions. Oh, still 1.4. So okay. That's not bad. Okay. So I think first we need to create a routes folder and start to create the APIs and all of that. Oops, sorry. I think I accidentally do that. Oh, come on, GPT. I know that your usage doesn't count to this week, so I can spam you. So that's what I want to do. Come on, GPT. I know. I can trust you. Go on. Holy, okay. Let's see how it's able to write our app for us. We are on a deadline, so we're gonna need to use our, oh my god, holy okay. Okay, I can understand why people are glazing this model. It's just holy fuck. Sorry, YouTube, please don't ban me, but this is insane. You don't need to write the test for me, buddy. Chill. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. I think that is the last prompt for today. I think let's try to implement it. Well, what is it giving us? Okay. Oh, it's not that much. Okay. I think we already have the Zod validator. Hello, Ivan Zeldas. How is your learning process so far? For me, it's terrible in the sense that I'm unmotivated to do it because I guess I'm just exhausted and tired and desensitized to all the rejection. But yeah, sorry, no. I guess it's just that yeah, it's been interesting, I would say. We have Zod and Hono, but not the Hono Zod validator. Is it built in the at Hono Zod validator? I'm gonna assume it is built in first because we already have Z and Hono set up, but I don't want to see. But if it through any error, I'm just gonna let's do that, I guess. Okay, so we have SRZ, and inside the SRZ, we have a folder of validators. Inside of the validators, we would have the guest.ts, which would be this. Deprecated. Okay. See, we already encountered. Okay, the next thing that I want to fix is that the ID is automatically, so it doesn't. I don't think it's gonna be UUID, right? So okay. file. The ID will have an issue because why is it URL deprecated? See, use uc.url like that. I think it's gonna use use z.email or something. Yeah, don't need the string. This is old. Okay, GPT-5 doesn't know that. Just this UID one that is deprecated here. C.uid. The thing is, the ID is generated by itself, right? This additional service, I think it will also have some. Okay, I guess we're making the routers right now, right? Instead of routers, we would have the yes.yes, and we would have all of this CRUD functionality already built in. Let's see if that's correct one. zvalidator, create a schema. All this file naming is gonna be fucking confusing me, but please help me. Okay. Hello, Mythical Scholar. What's up? I don't know anything. So am I, my friend. So am I. Mine, I don't understand as well. Me too, man. I mean, I don't really understand or knew everything. Okay, I think after this, I'm just gonna end this. Sorry, everyone. I'm not that excited. I'm not that focused. I'm not that in the game. I'm not that entertaining to watch as of right now. I don't know why or how I felt so unenergized today. I thought it was because I haven't had breakfast, but it turns out I'm still not that. Yeah, I don't know why. Oh, does not auto generate IDs? Keep generating IDs. Okay. Keep generating IDs. Okay, I think I'll do this later. Again, thank you very much for watching, everyone. I know watching me stare at the screen doing nothing is so boring. But I guess I just haven't have any. Yeah, I just not feeling that well today. But yeah. But I hope you guys aren't feeling this odd and unwell. I hope everyone have a great day, night, or evening, or day, or whatever you are, and whatever you are. I guess I'll try to continue again. I don't know if I can do it tomorrow or not. Yeah, okay. I guess I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Or not. I don't know. On another vibe coding every day until I get a job. Bye bye. Vibe coding every day until I get a job. Bye bye.